Hello, tech enthusiasts. Is your LG G7 ThinQ giving you trouble when it comes to charging? Worry not, because today I've got a complete guide on how to fix LG G7 ThinQ charging port issues. Charging problems can be incredibly frustrating, but before you decide to replace your device or take it to a repair shop, let's explore some practical steps you can try at home. In this guide, we'll navigate through simple troubleshooting methods to fix the charging port issue on your LG G7 ThinQ. From cleaning the port to checking your charging accessories, these tips could get your phone back to its full potential. Step 1. Examine the charging cable and adapter. Before diving into more complex solutions, it's crucial to ensure your charging accessories are in good shape. Damaged cables or faulty adapters can often be the root of charging problems. Check for any visible signs of damage on the charging cable, like frays or bends. Use an alternative cable and adapter to see if the device charges properly. Try plugging the charger into a different power source to eliminate socket-related issues. This quick examination could easily pinpoint if the charging cable or adapter is the culprit. Step 2. Clean the charging port. Over time, dust and debris can accumulate in the charging port, hindering proper connectivity. Here's how you can clean it safely. Power off your LG G7 ThinQ using a small non-metallic tool like a toothpick or a soft brush. Gently remove any lint or dirt from the port. You can also use a can of compressed air to blow out any remaining dust particles. Be cautious during the cleaning process to avoid damaging the internal components of the port. Step 3. Inspect for physical damage. If cleaning doesn't resolve the issue, inspect the charging port for any visible signs of damage. Take a close look inside the port using a flashlight to see if any of the pins are bent or damaged. If you notice any abnormalities, it may be best to seek professional repair services to avoid further damage. Step 4. Perform a software update. Sometimes charging issues can stem from software glitches. Make sure your device is running the latest software version. Go to Settings, System, Update Center, Software Update to check for any available updates. Updating your phone can fix bugs and improve overall functionality, including charging efficiency. Step 5. Reset your device. If none of the previous steps work, consider performing a factory reset as a last resort. Remember, this will erase all data on your device, so ensure you have a backup before proceeding. Navigate to Settings, System, Restart and Reset, Factory Data Reset. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the reset. This drastic step can resolve software-related issues that might be affecting the charging process. Fixing an LG G7 ThinQ charging port problem might not be as daunting as it seems. By following these steps, you can potentially save time and money while bringing your device back to optimal functionality. Whether it's simply cleaning the port or trying a different charger, these solutions cover a wide range of potential problems. Remember, if you're ever in doubt or face internal damage, seeking professional help is always a safe bet to avoid further complications. Keep these tips in mind and you'll have a fully charged device ready to tackle your day. Stay charging and happy phone using.